He doesn't care.
I'm like, go.
Yes.
Is it okay with you?
He won't hurt the baby.
Okay. No, it's not hurting the dog though, right?
No, he's light, right?
Oh, yes.
Yeah, he's 120 pounds.
Okay.
You can see, just you'll jump. And he
Papa,
won't
no
hurt.
jumping.
Yeah, yes.
Wow.
Yeah. He's friendly.
Hey, no jumping,
Hey.
Papa. It's okay.
Gentle. Gentle on your hips. Yeah, you gonna lift him? He's a hundred.
Hey.
No. Ow.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. You okay? You got scared. I'm
It's
sorry.
okay. It's okay.